Hello, this is Ramji from GenWise, and I'm going to be talking about a summer course that we are going to offer titled Electronics Creating Magic Through Science and Engineering. It's going to be jointly offered by my friend Muralidhar and I. And in this, we are going to be focusing on, of course, electronics because we feel that electronics surrounds us and then creates magic in our lives, and it will be a good idea for us to learn the building blocks. And the sooner the children get exposed to it, the better it is for them. The whole course we are going to be focusing on the passion, play, projects, and peers-oriented approach with which the learning can be complete. And we are also going to be focusing on improvisation, with which we'll be able to use available things to the extent possible, and then make some interesting circuits out of them. And we'll learn to design under constraints. Okay, without the constraints, creativity doesn't really flower. What do we propose to cover in this particular program? And what are going to be the tangible outcomes for children? Here, we are going to be including in children the basics of electricity and electronics to appreciate the electronic aspect of things, and they'll be able to identify the components, and they'll know where to use them, and they'll be able to design and implement some simple and useful circuits, and they will be able to break down a bigger problem into things that can be addressed by electronics, and they will know how to address it. Okay, and they will develop some interesting skills or useful skills like reading data sheets, and get some high level understanding of them, and then they'll be able to document as they go along. They will of course know how to solder, desolder, read off tools and like multimeters and all they'll be able to use, and they'll be able to use hand tools, and then they will know how to design and then just to move things to concise circuits, etc. They'll be able to handle kits to debug through them, and then etc, etc. Underlying all this will be the aspect of safety, and so that the children are really safe and they can happily just proceed with learning. The kind of attitudes that we hope the children will develop through the entire process is this perseverance, and what we call stick to itiveness. This is because only by sticking to solving problems, being at the problems, that things can be solved. So hopefully this will be ingrained in them, and they'll develop this cooperative attitude of taking, I would say, inputs, or taking feedback, and giving feedback, etc., etc., and then learning from peers all along. And there will be an element of fearlessness that will be in children, with which hopefully they'll be able to attack a circuit, understand things, and then be happy in the process. Okay, and that's it for now. And Murali and I are sincerely looking forward towards working with the children yet again, and towards having a very productive and then happy time. Yeah, that's it.